A North Carolina doctor scrambling to figure out how she's going to continue her work helping sickle cell disease patients after the National Institutes of Health canceled her $750,000 research grant. They cited DEI and divisiveness as a factor. Amy Cho reports.
It's a blood disorder that causes excruciating pain. Sickle cell disease means the red blood cells are shaped like sickles and can't flow properly. That causes lifelong issues such as strokes, lung problems, and infections.
So basically, someone who's 50 years old, it was functioning like someone who's 80 years old. So that was what we found in our original pilot. So I really felt like we have to do something.
Dr. Charity Oyedeji is a hematologist at Duke University. For the past 8 years, she's been working on a project called Sickle Fit, which helps patients do physical therapy to deal with the chronic pain and health issues.
People that couldn't do something as simple as get out of a chair without assistance are able to do that now.
But 2 weeks ago, the NIH told her it's taking away her funding, citing a low return on investment. It also said studies involving DEI support unlawful discrimination on the basis of race, which harms the health of Americans.
I was very sick to my stomach when I first saw it. I just could not believe it. Even small disruptions in research can have really major negative impacts.
One patient tells News 4 the sickle cell research at NIH saved his life. Lindrick Holmes from Austin, Texas, took part in a gene therapy study that changed his blood cells back to normal.
It's a debilitating disease. My ability to actually do what everyone has been saying Americans should do, pull themselves up by their own bootstraps. I wouldn't be able to do that if without the research that was done.
Holmes is still taking part in a 15-year study on the long-term effects of the treatment to make sure it's safe for others in the future. And while his study is still being funded, Holmes says he was saddened to hear about the funding for Sickle Fit being slashed.
It feels like they're using DEI as a euphemism for another word, for another derogatory word towards people that they don't like.
As for Dr. Oyedeji, she's planning to appeal the NIH decision to cut her funds.
Evidence clearly shows that this type of research prolongs life, improves function. These grants were originally awarded because of their merit.
She also plans to search for other sources of funding and says she's hopeful her work can continue.